I am doing a super exciting video. Today's video is a super dark, vampy, glam fall look, and this video is a collab with my best friend on YouTube, Alenia. I love her so freaking much. Like, oh my god, she's one, absolutely freaking gorgeous. Just saying, I love you, baby. Two, she's like my wifey and I love her so much, and me and her just like get along so well, and her videos are super good content. So if you have not checked out her channel before, it will be down in the description. Go check her out. I love her so much. And then if you are from her channel, hi, my name is Tori. I do a lot of makeup tutorials, as you can tell from my channel. Make sure you subscribe if you're new, like self-promo. But yeah, this is just gonna be a bit of a chatty glam makeup look, and I love you guys so much, and let's get started. Okay, so I was going to do a talk through, but there's a freaking farmer outside my window, so love that. So far I obviously did my eyes and I started my base. Now I'm going to do my eyebrows, which, as you guys probably know by now, is just like super simple. Anastasia Brow Wiz and the Essence Make Me Brow. I use these every single time. If you guys have any recommendations for brow products at the drugstore, let me know, because I've been wanting to try something new, because I've been using these same products for like a year or two now, and I really want to try something new. So if you have any recommendations for pencils and gels, let me know in the comments, because I can't stand pomades because my brows are so lightly colored that pomades do not look good on me at all. So pencils and gels, please recommend. I would be very happy if you could help me out. Okay, brows are finished. I'm going to wipe off all of this powder because I'm not trying to look like a ghost, even though we all know that I always look like a ghost because I'm about as pasty and white as you can get. But besides the point. So I just quickly wanted to say that yesterday I bought, I printed out a bunch of pictures and they're hanging on my wall over there. And then I bought purple lights for so my room would be like purple tint when it's dark outside, and they're hanging up literally right behind me on my curtain. And I love them like a lot. Like, I really love them. They make my room look super cute and aesthetically pleasing, and it's a good time. Okay, for bronzer, I'm using a mixture of the Take Home the Bronze by the Balm, and then my Hoola bronzer. So I'm just going to mix these together. I just got the Balm one today in the mail from Ipsy, so I'm just gonna dig my brush in there and then pick up the Hoola one, which is always super pigmented. And since I'm pasty, we're going to bronze up this face for the fall. So I'm just going to, bronze up, girlies, because you gotta be like a bronzy summer glow queen, even though it's fall time, right? Right. So for blush, I'm using this Pacifica little duo thing, I have no idea the colors, but yeah. I thought it would smell good, but it doesn't. So I'm honestly going to mix the two, but add more of this one. Because it's a fall look, I want my cheeks to be a bit darker because I want to, like, I don't know, I think that a darker blush will match the eye look better. So the blush is gonna be a little bit heavy today, but I think it's gonna look really good. The lower lash line, I'm just going to take the brush that I packed on with my lid, and there's residue on it, and I'm just going to run that across the lower lash line, and that is literally it. Like, look how different that makes the look. My L'Oreal Telescopic mascara, this is the best mascara ever. Going to coat my upper lashes a tiny bit more because I had on mascara before I started filming from school, and I just didn't take it off because there was like no point. And then I'm going to run that on the lower lashes just to coat them and make the look more even. Inner corner highlight, I'm going in with my Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to mix the two lightest shades on my pinky finger and just apply those to the inner corner. I will definitely make that less intense. I didn't mean for it to be that bright, but just gonna go in with a different finger that's clean and just kind of buff it out a little bit. Now I'm going to go in with this e.l.f. Active Post-Workout Spray, and I am going to use this because it makes your skin super dewy, and I always spray my face before I do a highlighter. So I'm just going to highlighter. I am using my Laura Geller Peach Glow highlighter. It just looks like this. It is a gorgeous highlight, as you can tell, and I am obsessed with it. Like, it's so beautiful, and it's not a new product to me either. I've had this for 2 years now, I think, and fall/winter is definitely when I get my use out of it, because a lot of people like Gilded Honey, but I'm way too pale for that shade. So I'm just going to dip my brush in and apply it to my cheekbones, and it's gorgeous and very pigmented. This is like one of the best high-end highlighters I have ever used in my entire life, and I love it. And also doesn't leave like a super bad cast on my skin. It leaves a tiny bit, but it's more of like a glowy cast, not dark cast, as you can tell. For lips, I am going in with the Rimmel Tiramisu lip liner. I need a new one or a sharpener. I just need a sharpener, but I don't have one. So, oh gosh, that's fun. But I do need a sharpener. So I'm going to line my lips. For liquid lipstick, I am going in with ColourPop Ultra Matte in Midnight Snack. I thought that this look would look good with a matte lip as well, because the face is glowy and the eyes are matte. So I'm going to apply this. Last but not least, one more spritz with the e.l.f. spray. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a bit more chatty than some of my recent videos have been, so I hope you guys enjoyed that. As you can tell, I did not put on lashes, and that's because this look is so dramatic. I feel like it doesn't need lashes. You can definitely put them on, but I personally like it without lashes. But you do you, boo. You can put them on if you would like. Like I said earlier, make sure you go check out Alenia's channel. I love her so freaking much. She's gorgeous and she's my baby, and she deserves the world and more. And she also recently hit 1K, so congratulations, my love. If you're new, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, babies.
Sí, sí, sí.